That, of course, is our Orange Belt song, the Cabbage song. Now, that's a four-note song. It uses B, A, G, and what's the new note? What's the highest note in that song? A C. Remember, to play C, you put your second finger down on the second hole, as well as the thumb. It's also our first song that uses eighth notes. So what I'd like you to do, say the rhythm with me, because this is a very rhythmic song. Say it with me. Here we go. Ti 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 ta ta, ti 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 ta ta, ti 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 ta ta. And then it starts again. See, this song has a repeat. So for you to be successful in the Cabbage song, you're going to play the right notes. You're going to play the right rhythms with quarter notes and eighth notes, and you're going to play it twice with that repeat. It's a great song. Happy practicing.